Hey, this is Coach Jesse Cole with Kingdom Mogul Coaching. We help you grow your faith as you grow your business. I believe that there's no separation between the sacred and the secular. I believe there's no separation between your faith and your business. They go hand in hand, right? It takes faith to do what you do every day. Faith, confidence, the ability to see a better reality, and the confidence to be able to go through the process to make sure that you position yourself to achieve that reality. It takes faith. And so today we're going to talk about how to make wise decisions, how to use your faith to make wise decisions in your business. And let me tell you, man, I've made some horrible decisions in life and in my business. I've made some unwise decisions that have cost me a lot of money, a lot of time. But from those lessons, I've learned that there are several ways that I can make sure that I make wiser decisions. And I want to share those ways with you as well today. So the first principle I want to share with you today is don't panic. Do not panic. When you panic, you are making a decision from a place of your emotions. And our emotions are kind of like the waves in the sea. They go back and forth depending on the circumstance. But in order for you to be a stable leader, you have to make a decision from a stable place, from a sober mind. So when you panic, the people around you begin to panic. Why? Because you are a leader and you're creating a culture of panic. And so nobody is really going to follow a leader who is always in panic mode. Identify your situation as it is. It is what it is. Okay, now we got to get past it. So how do you get past it, right? Well, you have to assess the damage. That's number two, principle number two. Assess the damage. Look at everything that's going on. Look at every angle of your issue, of your challenge, and approach it from an elevated perspective. Because when you are down in the mix of it, you can't really see all of the perspectives. But when you elevate yourself, when you assess the damage from an elevated perspective of your potential, then you'll be able to see the solution, right? Retreat, elevate, and you'll be able to see the solution. So assess the damage. When you assess the damage, your influence grows in your business. Your influence grows amongst your team because your team sees you as a level-headed leader and they can follow you. You have clarity, and you can pass that clarity and that culture along to them when you assess the damage and don't panic, right? And number three, dive in. Don't get caught in analysis paralysis. Don't get caught in assessment mode. Dive in. Once you've made the decision from a stable point of view, a stable mind, and you've assessed the damage, you've looked at all the angles, all the resources, and you want to move forward, then just dive in. Don't get stuck with looking at it. Dive in and take care of it. So those are the three principles that I typically use to make wiser decisions in my life and in my business. I try not to panic. I make sure I assess the damage, identify what the issue is, embrace it for what it is, and then once I have all the information, I move forward. So we have to make sure that we check in with Holy Spirit too, to make sure that what we're seeing and how we're going to move forward is God's best for us, right? And then we just go ahead and dive in. Go ahead and dive in with power and authority and influence. Thank you very much for watching the Kingdom Mogul Coaching Show today. And remember that what you want to become depends on your willingness to become it. Have a great day.